Today we've got two battles that make absolutely no sense. And that's exactly why you need to watch. First up, a BMW 220i versus a Suzuki Swift Sport. Both these cars are very light and full of attitude. But can the Swift actually keep up with the German engineering? Then we double the power. The BMW M240i goes head to head with the big dog, the X3M. Same badge, two different planets. And convinced that the Swift doesn't stand a chance. Let's see if that German badge holds its weight today. Going up against him, Lloyd in the Suzuki Swift Sport. He's here to prove you don't need big power to make a big noise on the strip. This is a true definition of power to weight ratio. Yo, what's up, guys? So today I got FK on my right hand side. FK, what's happening, my bro?
I'm not smiling today.
You're not smiling today?
Actually, no, I'm smiling because you asked me, you're like, my boy, what are you having for Sunday course? And I'm like, I'm not having anything. You're like, okay, I have a car for you, Deadpool. That's your Sunday course for today.
Let's see. Can the BMW... Bro, before we even get into that, bro, do you have any surprises under your hood?
Yes, I do. I have an intake. Can I give free promo?
Yeah.
CT carbon intake, and then as well as a downpipe by No Nos Ryan.
Okay.
And then, yeah, that's
and
it.
Nos?
No Nos is the guy.
Oh,
yeah.
oh, okay.
No
I
Nos,
thought you said you have Nos.
No Nos.
Okay,
is
okay.
where I did my downpipe.
Okay, and to my right is Glenn on cars.
What's happening, guys? On the right hand side we have the notorious Suzuki Swift, the red one, the famous one. We have Lloyd here. Lloyd, what's happening, my brother?
All good, bro. But I'm nervous. Yes, I'm nervous.
Why are you nervous, bro?
That guy said I'm gonna be snake.
Okay, so what do you have under your hood?
I've got an intake, full exhaust, blow valve, oil catch can. That's about it.
Power estimate?
I would say 130. Man.
Yes, let it go! Yes! Come on to the Pima boys! Never disappoint my community!
I need to set it up proper, hey?
Finish line, who won that?
The BMW won by about half a car length.
Okay, let's play it back for a bit. Off the line, the Suzuki Swift absolutely launches. For the first 200 meters, it looked like the BMW was getting left behind. But FK wasn't having it. The 220i finds its legs and starts reeling him in gear by gear. And just like that, the German says, "Not today." What a run. Now let's go into a rolling race.
Flooring! Nice. I thought it was flooring. Oh, so we roll up until there.
Roll until there. When you get there, you literally floor it.
Alright, okay, cool.
him. I'm catching him. I'm catching him. I'm catching him. I'm catching him.
Finish line, who won that?
That was super close. I think it was even a draw. But I think the BMW won by a bumper.
Jeez. Okay, guys, we're gonna run that back and actually see who won the race. Let's go. And from the jump, it's neck to neck. FK in the BMW throwing down the gears, Lloyd in the Swift pedal to the floor. They're side by side all the way to the line, and honestly, I'm not gonna call this one. You guys can type right below in the comment section and you guys can decide who really took this one. Guys, so the next race today is super interesting. Cars are revving at the back. I don't know if you can hear me clearly, but however, this race is going to be super interesting. This car sounds really amazing, but I'm going to let the driver, and actually someone told me it's a first time racing. Let's find out from her what she thinks. Hi ma'am, how are you?
Good, thanks, and you?
Good. I'm here with
Carissa.
Carissa, it's your first time racing. Are you nervous?
Not really. Taught by the best. So I'm fine.
Who's the best? He's the best.
Try.
Okay, lovely. Good luck. And do you think you're gonna beat the 240i?
I hope so.
You hope so.
On the right, we have M240i. It's driven by Impala. Impala, what's happening, bruh?
How's it, man? Thanks you for having me here.
Yeah.
I'm tuned by Exceed Performance. It's a rear wheel drive. I'm on stage 3 currently. I've done 438 on the wheels, which is like 503 engine power. Kilowatts, by the way. So yeah, I'm just enjoying this baby, and I'm testing it out since I've got an update on the map that I've been running all along. Yeah.
Do you think is there a chance against the X3?
Honestly, nope. But we'll see how it goes.
Okay, cool. Let's go enjoy the race, guys.
I'm gonna go ready, set, go.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Okay.
Cool. Is he warming up? Yeah.
The X3M won by about 5 buses and 1 train.
The guys are gonna come back up and we're gonna line them up and then they're gonna go rolling.
I just pressed something. I pressed this.
Yeah, now make sure it's M2, press there again, press up, sharp.
Finish line, who won that?
Only one car came through.
Yeah, that happens, guys. We'll rerun this race soon. But yeah, thank you.
I'd love to send a big thank you to FK, Lloyd, Tyrone and Teresa, and Mpela. Thank you so much, guys, for bringing your cars out to the strip and having fun. Guys, also, thank you guys so much for watching. I will definitely see you on the next one.